I'm here in the full Caldwell housing quad. These are both standard style freshman housing. I actually lived right up there this past summer. And this is on West Campus, which is more like homey feeling. It's less on campus and it's a fun place to be. I'm here right now in the 8th Street apartment complex. There are 4 different 8th Street buildings, north, east, west, and south. And these are for upperclassmen housing. You can start getting them in your second year. And it is an apartment style where you have individual bedrooms, and then there is 1 bathroom per 2 people. So in the double apartments, there's 1 bathroom. In the quads, there's 2, and in the 6s, there are 3. And this is just like a nice little hangout area for everyone who is in these apartments. And it's also on the west side of campus, which there are a few apartment complexes on the west side of campus. There's this, Nelson Shell, Z-Bar, Malding, the Center Street Apartments, Christine, and there are probably a few more. In comparison to on East Campus, which I will show you in a bit, there is only the North Avenue Apartments.
Sick. I'll tell you about the movie later. You'll love it.
Right now I am in the Hopkins, Matheson, Harrison, and Field quad, which is the freshman quad. And I actually live right there in Hopkins, and this is just a great space to like hang out, play frisbee, skateboard, whatever. Behind those bushes right there, there's a grill, so if you want to barbecue, go ahead and barbecue. Stop! For this video, I am going to be giving you guys a quick little dorm tour. Just as a little bit of background, I live in the Hopkins Residence Hall, which is on East Campus. It is a freshman standard style dorm. So this is what it looks like right when you walk into our dorm. Okay, so we have over here my roommate's bed, and she got her stuff up there, and we have our futon underneath of here. We have a recycling bin and little cart over here. Then on the other side of the door, we have our trash can and my roommate's wardrobe. And then over here, we have my roommate's desk and dresser, which it's kind of a mess right now, but this whole room is because it's college. This is a real dorm tour. And we have our moon and constellation tapestry up here with a bunch of fairy lights hanging on it. We have a Target lamp over here because the lighting in here isn't great. Then my wardrobe is right here. And then over here we have our mini fridge, which does not come with the dorm. You have to get one yourself. But there is a kitchen down the hall where you can use the big fridge. You just have to share with the whole hall. And my hamper. I got my towels hanging up over here. Then we have my bed over here, which is by the window. And I have my desk and dresser over here. And I also have these drawers that I got from Target and brought myself. And the dressers, the desks, the beds, they all come with the room. The rest we brought. And the beds can go on 3 different settings. You can put them all the way up here. You can do it in the middle, or you can do it all the way at the bottom, which nearly everyone does it up top because there's just not a ton of room in the dorm. And I'm going to show you the inside of the wardrobe so that you can see what it looks like. Ooh, so you've got a big shelf up there, 2 sides where there's a bar to hang, and then that one is totally open, and the shelves, there are 2 right there, and they're movable so that you can see over here, you can put the shelves wherever you would like, but it only comes with 2. And you have a towel rack right here, and a full mirror right here. So that's basically my dorm. Also, the layout that we did with the beds on both sides, that's very uncommon. You will see when I go through the rest of the dorms that I show you. Most people have one on either side, but in Hopkins, our rooms are very long and skinny. So we figured that putting them on the same side will maximize our space, which I still agree that we made the right choice in that aspect.